Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to play against bots in Battlefield 6 by hosting a local style custom game. So this particular thing is perfect if you want to practice aim, learn the maps or play casually without any online players. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Battlefield 6 game. Here on the play menu itself, you are going to see the option of multiplayer. So here you will have to simply choose the option of custom games tab. Now go to the host game. You will see a bunch of different presets there, but the one that you want is the solo and co-op. So this mode automatically fills the match with AI soldiers so that you can play alone or with a friend. So you need to select the option of map and your game mode and then go into the advanced settings. Now here you can adjust the bot difficulty, the number of AI players, whether they should behave as aggressive or relaxed opponents. You can also turn the AI count to high if you want more actions or low if you want a chill practice session. Now once your settings are ready, you just have to simply start the game. The match will load instantly and you will be placed in a lobby full of bots. No online players, no lags, no interruptions. So if you want to invite a friend into it, you can anytime open the new list of the friends. You can select the name of your friend and then tap on the invite to game option. So they will also join the same bot lobby as you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.